back here with us on Auto Review. On our test drive today, we take a closer look at the newest pickups in the market. These are the Foton Blizzard 4x4 and the Blizzard 4x2. Foton Motor Company, also known as Beiji Foton Motor Company Limited, is one of the leading commercial vehicle manufacturers in China. Since its inception in August of 1996, Foton has managed to provide vehicle models that cater to the needs of various businesses in and outside the Chinese region.
Foton Motors originally is a brand from China. We're actually the largest commercial vehicle manufacturer in China, now exporting to more than 46 countries globally. Foton Motors entered the Philippines in 2006. We're almost 2 years now in the market.
Upon its entry in the Philippines, Foton brings with it a variety of vehicles targeted at businesses and those looking for sturdy workhorses to meet their needs. One Foton model is the Blizzard pickup, which is one of the more popular light commercial vehicles in China. Priced at an affordable 633,000 pesos for the 4x2 and 840,000 pesos for the 4x4, the Foton Blizzard is considered a no-frills workhorse for the entrepreneur or family man or woman. We had a chance to familiarize ourselves with the Blizzard during a test drive of its two variants at Clark in Pampanga and in Bamban, Tarlac. The first part of our test drive was a fuel economy run from A. Bonifacio in Quezon City all the way to the North Luzon Expressway. Alright, we're here at Petron at Lakeshore in Mexico, Pampanga, and we did a little bit of economy run using the 4x4 Foton Blizzard, and the other one is the Foton Blizzard 4x2. Some interesting results, like for this one, which I drove from Balintawak all the way here for about 65.4 kilometers. I averaged 15.8 kilometers per liter, and the aircon was on. We were running at an average of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, and that's even below the maximum allowable speed at the NLEX. But we managed to do a 15.8 kilometer per liter fuel consumption. Now, the 4x2 variant of the Blizzard even had a better fuel efficiency because it averaged 19.9 kilometers per liter. Interestingly, the Blizzard has features that are not available in vehicles that are within or higher than its price range. Touches such as front fog lamps, rear fog lamp, side mirror turn signal repeaters, rear window guard, and bed rails on the rear deck give it some presentation points. Foton also has thrown in some creature comforts such as power steering, central door locks, air conditioning, a stereo with CD and 4 speakers, and keyless entry. Its power windows are not just ordinary power windows. They close automatically in case the driver forgets to roll up one or more of the windows. Its backup sensor is also enhanced by digital info monitor found on its rear view mirrors, which flashes the distance from a rear obstacle.
Here you can see that in centimeters it's indicated the distance between your rear bumper and that thing that you're backing up to.
The rear view mirror also displays cabin and outside temperature.
The Foton Blizzard also have a temperature sensor that measures the temperature inside the cabin, which is displayed on the left side of the rear view mirror, and also the temperature outside the vehicle, which is indicated on the right side.
Being the workhorse that it is, the Blizzard utilizes tough suspension components such as independent double wishbones in front and at the rear, a rigid axle with semi-elliptic leaf springs. Stopping force is made possible by a disc drum setup wrapped around 225/75 R15 tires and alloy rims. Quality you can afford is the catchy tagline that Foton uses to attract its target audience, and no other pickup embodies this more than their own Blizzard. The Blizzard also was one of the vehicles entered in the Pickup of the Year category in the recent Car of the Year search. It performed well in the off-road tests. The Blizzard, as well as the other Foton vehicles, are available for viewing and test drive in 7 Foton authorized dealers nationwide.